What's up everybody, how are you? Hope you're doing well guys. Welcome back to another latest price prediction video about Gitcoin GTC guys. Before starting this video guys, if you want to join my free signal group on Telegram, so join now. The link is available in video description guys. Here guys, GTC just right now is pumping start 37.93% gains, and I already give a signal about GTC on my Telegram, so members are enjoying huge profit, 176% the volume increase, and the volume is still bullish guys. You can see it's on a top level, but in the current position I recommend to open short position, buy GTC in a short position guys, because it's already make a double top, and now if it break this support line guys, the neckline, so in this case it will drop more guys. So if you want to open short position in a GTC, so I think it's a good time to open short position guys. By the way, what's your opinion? Share in the comment box, and must join my Telegram group. The link is available in video description, and get daily signals.